Today has been another successful and productive day at the Academy. The students have been working hard and we now have the whole dashboard out and the pedal assembly. As you can see, we have removed everything and there is nothing left attached to the bulkhead at all. We've removed the brake master cylinder, the servo and the clutch master cylinder as well. The only thing left holding the engine bay wiring loom in is the ABS pump. We hope to be removing this tomorrow so we can take the rest of the engine bay wires out. Before we fit the ST loom though, we're going to give the engine bay a bit of a tidy up and paint it if any areas need painting. We're going to do the same on the inside of D as well. We're going to have a tidy up of the floor, wire brush it if there's any signs of any corrosion, and then give it a coat of Hammerite. This will give D a little bit more protection for years to come. Tomorrow we also hope to be able to remove the fuel tank and fuel lines. It won't be long before we are building D back up. I just hope the students remember where everything went. And don't forget, if you like these videos, make sure you're subscribed, you hit that like button and leave us some comments to let us know what you think of the project. Thanks for watching.